Welcome to Paws Storytime. Presley and I hope you enjoy today's story.
No, David by David Shannon. David's mom always said, "No, David." No, David. No, David, no. No, no, no.
All hands on deck.
Come back here, David. David, be quiet. Don't play with your food. That's enough, David. Go to your room.
Oh, man.
Settle down.
Mom, no hands.
Stop that this instant. Put your toys away. Not in the house, David. I said no, David. Davy, come here. Yes, David, I love you. The end.
Presley, tell the boys and girls thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next story.